TikTok, a platform that transformed entertainment, education, and communication, has faced bans and scrutiny in multiple countries. But why? What's behind these decisions, and what does it mean for education and society? With over 1 billion users worldwide, TikTok isn't just about dance trends and comedy skits. It's become a hub for educational content, quick, engaging videos that teach everything from math shortcuts to global history. Through hashtags like #learn on TikTok, educators and creators have used the platform to reach students in new, interactive ways. Despite its popularity, TikTok has faced criticism. Governments have raised concerns over data privacy, misinformation, and its ties to the Chinese company ByteDance. For some, TikTok represents a potential risk to national security. Critics argue that TikTok could share user data with foreign governments, though the company has repeatedly denied these claims. India was one of the first countries to ban TikTok in 2020, citing security concerns. Similar debates have unfolded in the United States and Europe, leading to partial bans or strict regulations. For students and educators, the TikTok ban has raised mixed emotions. On one hand, the platform's bite-sized educational content has been a game-changer. On the other, critics argue that TikTok's addictive nature distracts students from meaningful learning without TikTok. Some educators worry about losing a creative teaching tool, while others see it as an opportunity to explore more balanced approaches to technology in education. The TikTok debate highlights a larger issue. How do we balance innovation with privacy and safety? Whether it's TikTok or another platform, the responsibility to protect user data and prevent harm falls on both governments and tech companies. For students, this is a chance to learn about digital literacy, privacy, and the power of critical thinking in the digital age. As TikTok faces bans and restrictions, creators and educators are exploring alternatives. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and emerging apps could fill the void, but will they address the concerns that led to TikTok's challenges? Ultimately, the TikTok story reminds us that the digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to navigating it responsibly. What do you think about the TikTok ban? Is it a step towards safety, or does it limit creativity and education? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the intersection of technology, education, and society.